It goes something like this. How about it? Think you can manage? Now, why don't you all practice on that? And we'll be in great shape. Sarah, I need you more than anything.
I had the most terrible.
That's splendid.
No, it was a Christmas. I thought of
That's not my Christmas. My Christmas is filled with laughter and joy and kiss. My Santa Claus outfit. I want you to make it.
Jack, please listen to me. It's going to be a disaster.
How could it be? Just follow the pattern. This part's red. The trim is white.
It's a mistake, Jack.
Now, don't be modest. Who else is clever enough to make my Santa Claus outfit? I have every
But it seems wrong to me.